Okay, today let's talk about AtCoder Beginner Contest 379, problem E. First part is description. We are given a string S and an integer n. N is the length of the string. Every character in S must be 0 from 0 to 9. Actually, it is a very large number. There is a function f, I. There are two parameters for function s, I and j. I is larger than 1 and less than j less than n. Fij means the value from I to j. For example, the first example in the problem, s will be equal 3, 7, 9. So the f1, 2 will be the first two digit, that means 37. The problem is how to calculate the sum of the function for every pair I and j. It will calculate I equal 1 to n for j equal I to n and the function I, j. This is what we need to return. For example, for this, let's take this as an example. We need to calculate 3, that means f1, 1, plus 37, that means f1, 2, plus 379, plus 779, plus 9. This is how this will be the answer. This is a description about this problem. Next part, let's talk about solution. In this part, we can calculate. The answer will be very long, so we can calculate the answer from unit digit, tens digit, 100 digit, 1000 digit, and so on. So we can unit tens and so on. So for the first part, for the unit digit, how we calculate it? Actually, the string can be S1, S2, S3 till Sn. Okay, we need to know, this is the first part, we need to know which number should add to unit digit of the answer. For the first part, for the S1, we will know if function will be f11, we need to add S1 to the unit digit 1 times. So the first part of the unit digit of the answer will be S1 plus. For the S2, we will know if we add 1, 2, or F2, 2, we need to S to be add, because S2 is the last element, so we can add S2 2 times to the unit digit of the answer. So we can add S2 2 times. That means S2 multiply 2. For the S3, we need to use S1 3, F2 3, and F3 3. So we need to add S3 3 times. So S3 multiply 3 plus Actually, till for Sn, we will know we can use F1n, F2n, F3n till Fnn. That means we can add Sn times to the unit digit. So we need to add Sn n times. This is how we calculate. Let's make it as sum. I mean, this is the sum of the unit digit calculation method. So the unit digit will be sum modulo 10. This is the last number of the answer. This is the unit digit of the answer. Actually, there will be divided by 10. For this part, we can add them on the tens digit, 100 digit, 1000 digit, and so on. Okay, so this will be the answer for the first part. For the next part, how to calculate the 10th digit. Actually, first part is this part. That means sum of last part divided by 10. We can add to the 10th digit. In addition, for the S1, S2, S1, S2, S3, S4, Sn minus 1, Sn, for this part, we also need to choose which number we need to add to the 10th digit of the answer. And we need to know how many times we need to add this digit. We can take this as one by one. For the first part, S1, we will know if we use F1, 2 will be S1 plus 10 plus S2. For this function, we need to add S1 to the 10th digit one time. So we need to 1 time plus 1 plus multiply 1 plus for another function we cannot add S1 to 10 digit, so we only use the S1 one time. For the S2, we will know F2 3 and F1 3. For the two kinds of function, for the two functions, we also need to add S2 to 10th digit. So we use S2 for 10th digit 2 times. So we need to S2 multiply 2 because we use it 2 times. For the S3, we will know F3 4, F2 4, F1 4. We need to use it. We use another color. We use S3 3 times. So we will know we need to add S3 multiply 3 because we use it 3 times. So we will know till Sn. For the Sn, we will know for function f1 n minus 1. For S1 n, 2 n, 3 n, 4 n, we also use Sn minus 1 another time. So we will use Sn minus 1 n minus times. So Sn minus 1 multiply n minus 1. For the last element, we cannot for every function we cannot add Sn to the 10th digit of the answer. So this is we can make it as sum 2. Okay, so the 10th digit will be sum 2 modulo 10th equal sum modulo 10. That means the first part modulo 10. This is actually it will be sum 2 minus sum divided by 10. After sum of them, we need to modulo 10. This will be the 10th digit. How to calculate the 10th digit? Yes. We can process it. Actually, we can process it one by one and calculate the 100 digit, 1000 digit, and so on until the last digit of the answer. This is how to solve this problem. Actually, we will know the sum 2 will be the first n minus 1 element of sum. The difference between them is the last elements of the first of the sum. So we can maintain the sum one by one. We can calculate a sum at the initial value and maintain the value by subtract the last elements. This is how to solve this problem. Yeah. This is the solution about this problem. If you have any confusion, welcome to submit a comment. The next part, let's talk about complexity. For the term complexity, actually we can calculate it one by one. So the term complexity will be On. For the space complexity, we don't need extra space to store variable, so the space capacity also be on. This is all about this problem. Thanks for your watching.